In this video, we're going to go deep into how to pass the video verification. This is the updated 2025 guide, so you can follow along step by step. I recommend watching this video all the way through, and then you can follow along again when you go to actually do it. I think that'll be the most helpful. So let's jump right in. So first off, for preparation, we're going to go over a few things. First, this has to be one continuous take. They will say 1 to 5 minutes, sometimes 1 to 2 minutes. What we have found personally is 30 seconds to 1 minute is ideal. It's tough to get all that in, so it's probably going to be right around 1 minute, but that's what I would aim for. Do not include any sensitive personal information like your social security number, any bank account numbers, anything like that. We don't want to show anyone else's face. Make sure that your video matches the location that you've entered in your profile setup. So in this video, we're focusing on service businesses. It's a very similar process for physical locations. The only difference is you're going to be focusing more on filming your physical location, street sign, the number of your street number, the signage on your building, unlocking going into the building. And we'll get into what we're going to do with service businesses. And we want to make sure that there's an accurate matching of business information. So, for example, if you say you are a lawn care service, and then in the video you are a plumber, but the name is the same, that's going to create issues for you. And we want to prove that you're an authorized owner or manager of the business. And we're going to do this by unlocking a branded truck or a garage or a shop or something like that. All right, so for this, you're going to be using your mobile phone. So on your mobile phone, you're going to go to google.com and make sure that you're logged into the correct account, okay? So you can do that by going up here and you'll click on the little icon and it'll show you what account you're logged into, but that's very important. So that's step one. Next, you're going to go to business.google.com and that's going to bring up your one and only Google Business profile or all of your profiles if you have more than one. And what you're going to want to do is you'll find a spot where it says Get Verified. You're going to click on Get Verified, and it's going to bring you to this next screen. So on this next screen, you're going to click Next right here next to Business Video. If you happen to have more than this option, you can definitely try those options. In this video, we're focused on business video because most people don't have more than one option. It's a business video, and that's where they're stuck. So this video is going to help those people. After you hit next here, it's going to bring you to this screen. This is all about reviewing the requirements. Again, show surrounding areas such as street signs or neighboring businesses. Your location should match the address you entered. Again, this is more for if you're a physical location. Show business name printed on permanent fixtures such as signboard. Again, mainly geared toward physical location. Access staff only areas, unlock entrance, or operate cash register. For most of you guys, you're going to be unlocking a branded truck or van. All right, so for pre-production, we are going to, again, we want to review here. Your location should match your business profile service area. So if your service area is, let's say, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, you wouldn't want to be doing your verification video from San Diego, California, because Google 100% is seeing where you filmed this from. They're getting the metadata on the video file you submit. So it's important you do it from within or nearby of your service area. Film nearby a street sign, mailbox, or street number, and film recognizable landmarks around your building. Typically, what I would do is we would want to say, hey, like you're holding your phone, the camera's facing away from you, and you're going to be saying, hey, this right here is, and you'll say the name of the street. Here's my mailbox. You'll show the number on the mailbox. You'll turn around and your branded work truck will be there behind you. Your business name, you're going to show your branded vehicle. You can also do a business card, and you can show business docs that have your company name on them. And you want to film yourself opening and unlocking your vehicle door. So this shows that you're either a manager or an owner of the business because you have that vehicle. You can show your tools inside. Typically, in the best case, what you do is you park your vehicle just a little bit in your driveway in case you have a long driveway, and you have a mailbox there. So you're going to film the street, point the camera down, tilt the camera this way. Here's the mailbox or the street number. Turn around. Here's the vehicle. And show yourself unlocking the door, going in. It could be the back of the truck, especially if you have branding on the back. That's perfect. Here's all my tools. And then here's my business license that shows that my business is licensed and in this area or in this state or whatever. And that would be perfect. You can do all that in under a minute. So you are now going to do a practice run. And this is the screen that's going to come up next. Tips for getting started. Plan ahead. Make sure you're capturing all 3 requirements in one continuous recording. Aim for 1 to 2 minutes. Start outside, capture your business surroundings first, and then move inside. You're probably not going to go inside unless you have a shop that has some sort of sign on it. And when you do that, the next thing you're going to do is hit start recording. And then you're going to allow access to your mic and camera, and you're going to begin filming. So you're going to allow access, you're going to hit next, and you're going to hit start on the recording. After that, after you're done, you're going to hit stop. And if you're satisfied with the recording, you think everything went well, the time of it was a reasonable amount of time, you're going to hit upload video. If you think you can do better, you can get it in a shorter amount of time, hit try again and give it another shot. So if your video does not get approved, and you want to give yourself about 7 days before you really start diving into what could be going on. If it won't upload, let's say at first, that means it could be too long, right? I had trouble with 1 minute and 30-second videos getting them to upload. So we cut ours down to 45 seconds and then it uploaded no problem. So they say 1 to 2 minutes, but in my experience, even above 1:30 could not go through. Could be you're having network issues. You want to make sure you're not switching between Wi-Fi and phone service. So if you have good cell coverage, I would turn Wi-Fi off in case the Wi-Fi from the house is kind of reaching out and playing with you there a little bit. If it gets denied, it could be sensitive content. You show banking info or another person's face, or it could be from insufficient proof. And if that's the case, you would just want to redo it with more proof. All right, so this is it. This is how you do it. If you plan and you do those things like I laid out, and you plan ahead and you do it under a minute, ideally, or right around a minute, you will be successful. If you're not, I'm going to put a contact or a website you can go to down in the description, and that will be where you can go to get some help from Google. Just be aware, it's a pain in the butt to get help from Google. For as big of a company as they are, they're terrible at support. I guess that's what a monopoly gets you. So I hope this was helpful. This has helped my clients get their profiles approved, and I hope it helps you out too. Feel free to drop a comment down below or reach out through the description down below, and I can help you out. Have a great day.